Hey guys, it's your girl, Health Coach Shalyn, and I am at the end of my workout. I've done some abs. This is our Monday meeting, and last Monday I promised that I would show you some of the abdominal work that I insert into my workout, and so I'm just going to show you a few quick things. So here we go. So one of the exercises that I love to do is a side crunch. And so actually you can do it, well, let's do it like this. So, to get myself into position. So you can actually kind of rock it like this, okay? I usually do these on a bar or a bosu or bosu, but today I'm just kind of doing them on the side, but you can see the work. So this is getting the abdominals, okay? So that's one thing. Then obviously, flip over on the other side and do the same thing. So you've got the same work. Actually, let me come back up. And getting that oblique. Now, you can actually change this, lots of flipping. Woo. You could actually change this now to an actual leg with it. So my leg is going out, kind of rocking back to the side, and the leg goes with it, okay? And obviously what you do on one side, you got to do on the other. So here we go. Woo. And this hair is so long. So yeah, so then you're doing what you got on the other side. Okay? So, there we go. I think the other exercise that I want to show you is bicycle. One of the things that I always remember, and I tell my class when I'm teaching my class, is that with that bicycle, you really want to keep everything open. So you keep things open and you're not necessarily having to touch, because when you touch, you change the work to a different part of the body. So the bicycle, actually, you're up like this and you are open, 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 okay? So you're really keeping everything open, and you're getting that twist on the side, okay? From this angle, I also want to show you the jackknife. So I actually do my jackknife with my knees bent, okay? Because you guys know I have scoliosis. So my spine is curved. So you can do your jackknives like this. So my legs are going straight out, and I'm coming back in. Okay, so it looks like this. I mentioned Supermans. So Supermans are where everything is going up. So as you can see, my arms and my legs are going up at the same time. Superman or Superwoman. Here we are. Okay, so everything is going up at the same time. And I kind of got the camera angled like this so that you can see the work in the middle of my body. Remember, we talked about I don't do any spot training type of thing, but you can actually see what's happening with the middle work. So we're going up like this. There's also flutter kicks, and I'm going to go back, but the flutter kicks are where your hands, my hands are doing this. So my hands are fluttering, my legs are fluttering. You can see everything moving. Let's see. We also want to be able to do this round and release is definitely more of something that some people just consider it as part of a cool down to round and release, but it is definitely still something that kind of works the core. So you can always add these in at the same time, okay? there are some standing moves. There's some standing moves that we can do. Let me see if I can bring you up here with me. I don't know if I can bring you guys with me. Here, let's try this. Some standing moves. Alright. So, the standing ab move that I'm going to do is a side crunch. Okay. So let me show you what that looks like. Then you go to the other side. Some other moves would be and then there's a twist that I really do love. Let me show you that. So I hope that helps you guys out just a little bit to give you some different types of core moves that can help you and insert into your workout. This was part of our Monday meeting. And as you know, the purpose of these Monday meetings is for me to give you exercises, tips, recipes, and different things that can help you throughout your week. So if this video was something that helped you for this Monday meeting, make sure that you like it, that you comment, that you share it. And as always, you can visit me on the website. My hair may not always be this crazy, but you can join me on the website at www.healthcoachshalane.com. And if you are ready to train with me online, make sure that you visit bit.ly/train online with Shalane. And that's spelled SHALYNNE. Until next time, until next Monday, have a good week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.